Today we are going to be creating this amazing brand identity design inside of Lovart. So this is a sports fashion clothing brand, and we were able to generate all our marketing assets, our designs, our logo. This logo was generated inside of Lovart. We also generated the font that we used for the logo right here. So you can generate your fonts for your logo, get your unique typography, your color palette, the materials for this particular clothing brand. We also have some packaging designs. You can see how really crisp and cool this is, and also some labels. We are also able to generate like images for our product detail page on our website that isolates the product, and also some use case for like Instagram posts and things like that. We also have like packaging designs for other accessories that is needed in the gym. And one more very cool thing is the fact that we are able to generate a product video right here. So you can also generate a 10 seconds product video for your particular brand. And not just that, we can extract all the styles, all the patterns that we used to create this brand identity design and put them in a specific brand kit. Right here, we have this casing brand kit, which we are going to create right here in this video. And this kit can help you create subsequent brand and marketing assets without having to always remind the agents to be able to include the pattern. So this is really cool, and all of this will be created in Lovart. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you find any of my videos helpful. And without wasting so much of your time, let's get started. So once you sign into Lovart, here's what you're going to see. You're allowed to put in your prompt, and it can generate any design of your choice. This could be branding design, marketing design, 3D designs, product design. Regardless of what you want to achieve, Lovart can help you do that. Here I'm going to put in my prompt, which is to create an editorial athletic fashion typography series. I've also given it the frame size I want because I want this to be consistent. I just want to feature a number of models in a clean, structured athletic motion wearing premium joggers, or it could be any sporting wear generally. So we want to be able to generate marketing editorial pictures for a sporting brand. So I'm also going to go ahead to add some reference photos. Right, so right here I've imported all the images I want to reference. I'm just going to also state that here are some reference images. So I'm going to add this to this particular prompt, and you can choose to add a reference image or not, depending on what you're trying to generate. And I'm going to click on proceed. Now here it's going to open up a new file, and it's going to put that prompt in this chat section right here. And this is typically where you're going to continue to make changes if you want to prompt the tool, but there are a lot more other ways to make changes directly in the artboard. So let's wait a moment for it to generate all these designs. And if you happen to be on another tab, you're going to see this task completed, and you can go back to your design. This is amazing. You can see how clean and crisp this design is. The model looks perfect, the lighting looks perfect, and it has done justice to the particular product I want to market, which is this sweatshirt and this particular joggers. Now, before we go ahead to create the brand identity for this sports fashion clothing brand, I want to be able to generate the font with which we are going to use to generate our logo. So I want our logo to look a certain way, but I want to be able to design the font for that. And that's very simple. All you need to do is come to this font generation tab here, click on it, and then you can go ahead to describe the style you want. Also, you can upload a reference image for the font generator to be able to extract the style from that image. I'm going to go with this option and upload an image. Here I'm just going to select this image here, and I have this. I'm going to say create a font style from the uploaded image. So I want to be able to use this font to be able to generate the letter mark for the logo and the brand we are going to be creating in the future. Now you can see that the font generator is done. You can just grab your font and drop it right here on the canvas. And here you can see we can make edits to this. I'm going to change this to Kzen because this is what I want the brand name to be. I'm also going to make some edits to like the letter spacing and drop this down to -10. That's too much, -4. Yeah, and I want it to be really close, so -5. Yeah, I guess we can start with that. Now, I'm going to take this as the logo, but we're going to use this to generate other brand identities. So I'm going to click here to paste in the prompt to generate the brand identity. We can close up our font generator, close this up, and then right here, I've already pasted the prompts we are going to use to generate our brand identity. You can see here, it's very simple. I'm also going to add to use the brand font called Kzen. So if you don't know what the brand font is, you can always select here and you're going to see the name of the font you used. Even if you come here and you come to my fonts, you're going to see the name of the font, which right here it says Bold Edge. So use the brand font called Bold Edge. Create this brand identity all in the same frame size. So I'm just going to send this for you to try and use this font that we've created to create the logo, also to generate brand identity for this brand in a clean and organized way. That's why I added it to use the same frame size for all the frames it's going to create. So we're just going to wait to let Lovart do its thing. Now this is amazing. You can see the brand direction, you can see the logo. This is really cool. I think I really like what this generates. So you can see how Lovart can help you create production ready brand kits. You can see we also have some packaging designs, we have labels, and this is super cool. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change the name or the text right here. You can select this particular image. Let's duplicate this image right here. And what we will do is you're going to click on Edit Text, right? You can see here, Edit Text, and it's just going to extract all the text that have been used in this particular image right here. So you can see all the text that was generated here. I'm going to take out this particular text because I don't want this Chinese version, and then I'm going to change this to same thing that was written here, seamless movement. I'll just say for you, right, and click run. Now you're going to notice that it's going to change the text in that particular position to the actual text that we want, which is super amazing. And this is a feature that other tool like this will not offer you at all. Now there's so much more we can do. Let's say we want to take out objects in a particular screen. We like this image, we want to take out like this first card or this second one. One thing you can do is, let's also duplicate this so that we can use it here. And one thing you can do is click on the eraser tool and then click on the element you want to erase right here. I'm just going to do this and run this. What it's going to do is to just take out that element easily. So there are lots of amazing things you can do with the Lovart. Look at here. The text will change, seamless motion for you. This is super amazing. Now, as cool as this sounds, there's so much more Lovart can do for you. Right here, if we click on this and go to our project, we can also come here to brand kits. You're going to see this brand kit, and we can add brand kits right here. And for you to successfully add a brand kit, you will need to put in some of the brand assets like the logo, the fonts, the colors, and if you have any sample photography of the product. And in order to be able to generate this, we're going to need to export it from our main project. Right here, I just added a prompt to create an isolated version of the logo in a transparent background so that we can export it and use as PNG or SVG. So I'm going to send this, and hopefully we get a version of the logo that we can export. But if you go back to our brand kit, let's start with what we have, which is the fonts. Click on add new font, select from font library, and if I can remember, the name of our font is Bold Edge right here. So this is it. I'm going to click add. I'm going to click done. For the colors, I'm going to click add colors. Okay, so it's still uploading the font. Let's try add colors again. Okay, right here. Create new project with this kit. We have colors. To add colors, let's come here and find out what colors we have. Of course, we have 1A, 1A, 1D for our black. So right here, we're gonna say 1A, 1A, 1D. We're gonna add this and add more colors. Right here, we have 8D, 8D, 8F. We're gonna add that too. 8D, 8D, 8F. Add. Right here we have off-white, F2, F2, F0. We're also going to add that, F2, F2, F0. And we also have this 51563F, which is 51563F. Add. Next we have this B87333. Last but not the least, B87333. Add. Now we have all our colors. Let's check if our logo have finished exporting. Right here, we zoom out, and here we have our logo. Fantastic. What I'm going to do is click on this download button, which is going to download our logo and save. So we've saved our logo. Now we can go back here, click on logo, and then import our logo. Now we have our logo set up. We have our color set up, we have our font. As for photography, we can also add some pictures of what we have right here. Okay, so we've been able to add our logo, our colors, our fonts, and some photography. You can see right here how we are able to remove that card, and you can run concurrent agents across your board. So we're gonna remove this because I really didn't want to remove it. I just want to show you guys that particular feature. So let's take this out. So after you've successfully added in your brand kit, you can generate more marketing materials and brand assets right here in Lovart, and it's going to just pick from that brand kit. So I'm going to paste in my prompt, which is basically to generate a cohesive commercial access kit. So I'm going to specifically add that the logo of the product should be on the wares itself, but basically it's going to pick from our brand kit and try to generate this. So this is really cool, and this basically sets Lovart aside from every other brand generation tool. You can be able to set up your brand kit and then use it for multiple use cases. This is amazing. So we've been able to generate branded materials for, let's say we have our e-commerce product page. We can put this. You can see how this logo blends properly with the product, which is super amazing. You can see right here, this is so nice. You can see this. We also have some inactive workout session. We have our brand packaging. We also have additional accessories for people who regularly go to the gym, and this is just super nice. What we can also do with Lovart is to generate a quick marketing video for our brand. So I'm going to select this and then prompt the agent to create a marketing visual for like a 10 seconds vertical video. Wow, so we've been able to generate a 10 seconds video for our brand. You can see the video right here. You can switch to HD, remove background, or download. Right here also in the chat section, you can see the video, preview it, or download it. So I'm going to come right here and just zoom it in so you can see what we have right here. Now, of course, this can be better, with a few more tweaks to your prompt, you can make it your own, right? So this is just a glimpse of what you can achieve with Lovart. I would really advise you to try it out if you want to be able to create brand identity, marketing assets for your business, and everything that has to do with design and branding. So this is it, guys. This is how you can make use of Lovart to generate brand visuals for your business. Make sure you try it out. Make sure to use the link in the description for you to get started with Lovart, and you're definitely not going to regret it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, as I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now.